doll, rock and roll, feel the glamour thing. Kiss me here, toss me there, hanky panky.
You can touch, you can play. If you say I'm always yours. Ooh, I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world. Life in plastic, it's fantastic. You can brush my hair, undress me everywhere. Imagination, that is your creation.
Come on, party, let's go party.
Yeah.
Come on, party, let's go party. Come on, party, let's go party.
I'm going to be giving my Barbie a glow up. I always had Barbies when I was young. This was my favorite Barbie. So I'm going to make her look pretty. Is it backwards? So I'm going to put on a dress. Which one? Which genre?
Pink.
The pink one. This is my baby book I found with my Barbie stuff. I won Miss Barbie Girl. Wanted to be a Barbie. Now I'm living my childhood fantasy. It's just a simple glow up. Not what Haitian does. We remakes the Barbie's faces. It makes them look stunning. I don't know how to do all that. But maybe one day. It was in a flat for like 10 years, so it's got nice natural curls now. Then I'm gonna put some makeup on it. Her eyes closed. This is the look I created.
Imagination, that is your creation.
So let's do some Barbie makeup to match me.
Kiss me here, toss me there, hanky panky.
You can touch, you can play.